If you're a person that likes to keep your engine bay clean and you're really tired of looking at this coolant catch can, well, JLT's got a cover to fix that problem. This is JLT's coolant catch can cover for your 2015 to 2019 F-150 and Raptor. It's made of ABS plastic, made in the USA, and it's very simple to put on. It's a super easy install, no tools needed, so let me show you how to put this on. Alright, so this is a really super easy install. All you need is a rag to wipe down the residue, Velcro, which they supply, and the cover. So let me show you what we gotta do. So we get 3 strips of Velcro, and what we're gonna do is put one at the end, one in the middle, and one at the other end. So just pull one side of the Velcro off, stick it onto the coolant catch can, just like that. And repeat the process for the other 2. Just stick it right on, press firmly. One more to go. Stick it on. Then all you have to do is peel off the other side of the Velcro. There we go, one off. There's the second one. And then the third. Once you get the stickers off, you don't even have to remove the cap. Grab your cover, slide it on, get it over the hose, and just press firmly. Give it a good push. And there you go, your installation's complete. All right, everyone, there's your super easy install for the day. I mean, that catch can is covered up now. It looks so much better than the stock catch can. For this JLT product and many other great products, go to cjponyparts.com.